The Yoke Handle Model Y steering wheel stands out with its distinctive, race-inspired design. Drawing inspiration from aircraft cockpits, this steering wheel features an elliptical shape that enhances the overall sports vision of the vehicle. The design is not just about aesthetics, it also offers practical benefits. The unique shape provides a more engaging and dynamic driving experience, giving you a heightened sense of control and precision on the road. For those who appreciate luxury and comfort, the Yoke Handle Model Y steering wheel is crafted from high-quality racing leather. This material not only adds a touch of elegance to your Tesla's interior but also ensures a comfortable and secure grip. The leather construction is designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving while maintaining its stylish appearance and tactile appeal. One of the standout features of this steering wheel is its customizable nature. Whether you own a Model Y or Model 3, this steering wheel is designed to fit models from 2017 to 2024, offering a bespoke upgrade for your Tesla. The customization options allow you to personalize the steering wheel to match your vehicle's interior or your personal style, making it a perfect addition for those who want to stand out from the crowd. The Yoke Handle Model Y steering wheel is designed for straightforward installation, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits with minimal hassle. The steering wheel comes with all the necessary components and instructions for a seamless upgrade, allowing you to transform your Tesla's driving experience quickly and efficiently.